Hi, this is Kapil. Today I'm going to make very quick and easy rice dish. It's pepper garlic rice. So let's start. So into the pan, and pan has to be hot. I'll add oil. I'll add butter. And let the butter melt first. Quickly I'm going to add garlic. So be generous with garlic. Saute garlic in butter and oil for 1 minute till it's nice and toasty. And keep an eye on the garlic while it is getting roasted. I need slightly light golden brown in color. That's it. So this is the time to add chopped spring onions and pinch of salt. Quickly mix it and then add veggies. I'm adding red, green and yellow peppers. Saute for a minute till veggies are slightly cooked but crunchy. So next, I'll add cooked rice. Keep the flame on low. Spring onion greens, salt as per taste. And this recipe you can make using the leftover rice as well. Black pepper powder, vinegar. So here goes white vinegar and soya sauce. And one tip, never add soya sauce on veggies because it will change the color of veggies. Always add it on rice. Now mix everything, making sure you're not breaking rice too much. Since the rice is already cooked, so there is no need of further cooking. I'm just going to let it cook in the pan for a minute so that the rice absorbs all the flavors nicely and the pepper garlic rice will be ready. Pepper garlic rice is done, time to serve. So let's garnish it with some spring onion greens. So here goes a touch of second love of garlic to this pepper garlic rice, burnt garlic on top. And quick and easy pepper garlic rice is ready. So do try this unique and easy recipe of pepper garlic rice because it is delicious.